The purpose of this video is to show how to save a report in a format that can be opened by a spreadsheet, be it OpenOffice, Calc, or Excel, or some other similar spreadsheet. So in this case, I'm going to go to Catalogs, Clients. Normally, a report to export is designed specifically. It doesn't have a lot of graphical niceties of different colors or fonts. The idea is just get the basic data to a spreadsheet. So in this case, I'm going to the client's catalog as a sample, and I click on the Print Catalog Report button, and I'm going to pick a report there that's called Customer Mailing List Export Spreadsheet CSV. CSV stands for comma separated values. It's just basically a line of text and it has one value, then a comma, another value, and a comma. We'll look at it in a minute. And I'm going to pick this report, which is comma separated by values by date last modified, and then I click on the preview button. This particular report requires a date. I'm going to go way back, make sure I get plenty of records in there. A date previous to or after which the records that have been modified or added since that date will be included in the report. So I get the report on the screen. Again, it's not real pretty here because the idea is just get the data over without a lot of fancy stuff on it. Get it over to the spreadsheet. I'm going to use the third button from the right to the left. If I put the pointer there, it says export to text. I'm going to click on that button. It suggests a name for the report, and I'm going to put comma separated values, and that automatically changes the extension to CSV. So this is how you select comma separated values, which is what you'd use for spreadsheets. And I've got the report name. I select it, and with the Control C in Windows or Option C in Mac, copy the name, and I'm going to go over to a little place that I have here and save the report there. Actually, as you can see, the name was already there. Reuse save data, yes. And the file's already open. Okay. Let me, minor details here. Give me, I was saving on top of something that's already saved. So we're going to run through it again here. We click the third button from right to left. Gives us the name. We're going to pick it as comma value separated, comma value separated. Select the report. Get the folder it's going to go into, which will be C. And then we're going to go to test and save that there. Reuse save data, yes. And that should have saved it there. So we're going to come over here to then on drive C the folder, and the first thing we can see is it's saved with a CSV extension, and like I said, OpenOffice spreadsheet or Excel, different spreadsheets programs would know how to recognize that. I just double click on it. In the case of OpenOffice, it checks if I want to format any special thing on there. I accept the default format, and it opens up in a spreadsheet. And in this case, I designed the report so it has headers. This first line is just headers in straight columns with information. No, and again, in this case, could be sent off to service to do some mailings or things like that. Let me just show you real quick before we finish this up. It's very simple. The only purpose of the video is to show you how to get the file out to comma separated value format. I'm going to open this with a text editor just so you have some understanding of how the file is. We can see here that there's the name, comma, last name, comma, address 1, comma. So down here we have Beth, comma. So that's why it's called comma separated values. So if we looked at it in a text editor like that, but like I said, spreadsheets know how to open it. So having done that, that ends this video. Hopefully it explains what you need to do.